Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that's been on everyone's mind. Who owns HoneyBook? I know, this might seem like a random question to tackle, but I think it's actually a really important one. HoneyBook is a really popular software platform that's used by small businesses and freelancers all over the world. And so, it's natural to be curious about who's behind it all. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of who owns HoneyBook, let's take a quick step back and talk about what HoneyBook actually is. HoneyBook is a software platform that helps small businesses and freelancers manage their clients, projects, and finances. It's a really comprehensive tool that can help you streamline your workflow and get more organized. So, now that we know what HoneyBook is, let's talk about who owns it. The answer is, HoneyBook is owned by a private equity firm called Vista Equity Partners. Vista Equity Partners is a massive investment firm that's based in San Francisco. They have a long track record of investing in software companies, and they're one of the largest private equity firms in the world. So what does this mean for HoneyBook? Well, it means that HoneyBook is in good hands. Vista Equity Partners is a very experienced and successful investor, and they're committed to helping HoneyBook grow and thrive. In addition to Vista Equity Partners, HoneyBook also has a number of other investors, including Excel, Index Ventures, Tiger Global, Insight Venture Partners, Emergence Capital. So, as you can see, HoneyBook is backed by a very strong group of investors. This gives me confidence that HoneyBook will continue to be a successful and innovative company for many years to come. Now that we know who owns HoneyBook, let's talk about some of the benefits of using their software. Here are a few of the benefits of using HoneyBook. It's a very comprehensive platform that can help you manage all aspects of your business. It's easy to use and learn. It's affordable. It has a great customer support team. If you're a small business owner or freelancer, I highly recommend checking out HoneyBook. It's a great tool that can help you take your business to the next level. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges that HoneyBook faces. One of the biggest challenges that HoneyBook faces is that the market for small business software is very competitive. There are a lot of great products out there, so HoneyBook needs to work hard to differentiate itself from the competition. Another challenge that HoneyBook faces is that it's a relatively new company. It was founded in 2014, so it doesn't have the same track record as some of its competitors. However, I believe that HoneyBook has a bright future ahead of it. They have a great team, a strong product, and a lot of support from investors. I'm also confident that HoneyBook will continue to innovate and improve its product. This will help them to stay competitive in the ever-changing world of small business software. So, there you have it. That's everything you need to know about who owns HoneyBook. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, I encourage you to check out their website. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more small business tips and advice. See you next time.